In early 2020, during the coronavirus pandemic, we had hordes of people losing their jobs because of the stay-at-home policies and companies not catering effectively to all their staff due to the loss of revenue attributed to the pandemic. However, just as many people lost their jobs, many also had their jobs and businesses expand and grow right during the pandemic. Some of these businesses are: Number 10. Nursing. Around the world, there are an estimated 20 million nurses and midwives, accounting for more than half of the healthcare workforce. As many people have seen, the healthcare workforce has been put to the ultimate test this year with COVID-19's worldwide spread. Several pharmaceuticals have kept a laser focus on all people it serves and their mission to develop transformational medications to treat some of the world's deadliest diseases despite the global pandemic. As the effects of COVID-19 on patients and healthcare systems became clear, nurses found themselves in unprecedented conditions, working long hours with limited access to personal protective equipment and a lack of advice on how to care for patients infected with the virus. Also, being at high risk of infection, the number of people willing to work as nurses during the pandemic reduced, and those that remained had to work more hours and, by extension, do more work. This had the positive effect of increasing the income of nurses and the addition of benefits and incentives to encourage people to work as nurses. Number 9. Software development. Typically, software engineers are not impacted as other jobs in other sectors during economic downturns. The COVID pandemic, however, resulted in a surge in demand for software services. Suddenly, practically everything was accessible via the internet. Everything had to be done remotely, from shopping and apparel to company hiring. Without a doubt, as a result of the significant transition from physical stores and businesses to online stores, many firms have resorted to using online apps and have adjusted their business models to reflect this. Online stores and other applications, which have already inundated the internet, aid in moving from physical to virtual offices. Of course, software engineers bear the brunt of this massive transformation. Their workload doubles, even triples at times. These increase the demand for software developers at every level and increase the value of employed software developers, causing an increase in the average income of the software developers. Number 8. IT and customer support. Customer support lines have been ringing off the hook throughout this crisis. Customers have inquiries, require assistance in canceling or suspending their services, placing orders, or obtaining other forms of assistance. Call center representatives have had their hands filled with rescheduling travel plans with airlines, hotels, and other hospitality providers. They're also occupied with suspending ongoing subscriptions that won't be needed during self-isolation and clarifying questions about item availability, shipping, and other policies in effect during the pandemic. Online help channels like live chat and email are also very popular right now. This makes them a viable option for businesses dealing with an increase in client demand. Also, many businesses have moved all or a significant portion of their personnel to a work-from-home strategy. An event of this magnitude necessitates a great deal of internal IT coordination and assistance. Maintaining a remote workforce is no easy task. From ensuring workers have the proper software to work remotely, such as laptops, monitors, phones, and so on, to setting up remote access to enterprise software, VPNs, home networking, and video conferencing, to supporting workers who experience errors and require troubleshooting assistance. The help desk ensures that their coworkers may continue to do business and be productive while working from home. Number 7. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is a terrific way for businesses around the world to engage prospects and customers. Customers already interact with brands on social media. As a business owner, you're losing out if you're not using popular social media sites like Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok to speak directly to your audience. By building devoted brand supporters and even driving leads and revenue, great social media marketing may help your organization reach amazing success and popularity, even amongst the tight competition. During the pandemic, social media marketing enhanced its numbers thanks to users who spent more time at home on their social media accounts, linking to other accounts, following their favorite influencers, and escaping anxiety by using the network as a haven. Social media marketing is also more important to companies now because social media is the largest area to reach users, since most people are indoors. The chances of physical campaigns reaching them are very low. The most effective alternative is to reach them on social media, and this has increased the popularity of social media marketing. Number 6. Software testing. With the surge in building of apps and software, there is a need for fast and reliable testing to ensure these apps meet the requirements they were built for. Software testers are tasked with using and analyzing new and updated software to ensure that they are ready to be deployed to the final users. As there are many more apps being built, software testers are now highly in demand in different development fields. The app surge also sports several apps solving the same or similar problems, meaning these apps will have to compete with each other for users. Due to these, the testing stage of development is taken very seriously to ensure that the software does not fall short of competitors.